Okay, so we're back again. Gonna work on getting this on the I guess the deck of the bed. So need to lay out the holes for welding it, and then I want to like trim like you can kind of see here how it gets wider, and yeah, it just needs to be trimmed up a little bit, stuff like that. And then yeah, so I'll prep this piece all for welding, but I'm not gonna actually weld them on quite yet because I think we probably want to just at least get some primer down in this area, and it'd be a lot easier without that, with these gone. So yeah, I think I'll leave those off till that gets some paint on it. But I'll put these pieces on, and then once these pieces are on, I can put the bulkhead on, and yeah, so getting these on and that on would be huge. And then yeah, I hope in the next few days to be able to spend some more time on this truck. So one of the other things that needs to be done is the roof needs to be still get spot welded all the way around the drip rail, and like up there this gets welded to it. And so yeah, those are the two main things to do before the truck is, like, at least the metal work side of things are done. I put in the headlight buckets this morning. Yeah, those fit really well. This one, yeah, I like to try to reuse the factory ones. They fit so much better than most aftermarket ones. This one was actually the same brand as this metal, and that fits well. But yeah, I couldn't get the green pieces to fit nice with the trim. It just, I don't know, it was the wrong shape, so just cut out the original one instead and used the original. Yeah, what else have I done? Back here, one piece I was looking online to see if we could buy was, but I don't see anyone that makes it. There's a little tiny piece that goes in there. I don't know if it's, yeah, but it just kind of closes off the apron there, and seems like no one makes that, so I just made it. And I mean, it's a pretty simple shape, but kind of surprised no one makes that. But, oh yeah, and then fix this. This piece I have, so that's kind of a good starting point. Okay, so as you can see, I have it mostly welded along the bottom edge. It'll get welded from the inside. Yeah, and yeah, so now the next thing is to, I guess, clean these welds up and then have to fold this edge over. So just with the hammer and dolly, I might need to make some sort of tool to fold it over up here because I can't really get a hammer in there. And yeah, so it should look like this seam here, how it's folded over. And yeah, so that's the next thing. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Here, I'll get a light here. Maybe a little bit more hammering and a little bit of sanding just to get some of the hammer marks out. And that's good. So, but yeah, how to do there, not sure yet. Okay, so I have a system kind of coming along. You can see I have the lip folded over part way, and yeah, so I can't say I have the best system, but it's working. What I'm doing is I got these pliers, put some tape on the end to protect it from denting this side, and then I'm just kind of pinching it and so that kind of gets it most of the way. It's, yeah, it gets it pretty decent. And then you can kind of go back over it even. Really just trying to get that as tight as possible. One time I made this tool a couple of years ago for seams, and it's just kind of two pieces of metal spaced apart, and kind of run that along it. Go this way, and this really helps get it nice and tight, like really tight. So just yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing there. Okay, so that's it's all finished up. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Just kind of welded around in that area, just because the piece ends a bit, so to fill that in. Yeah, and then this turned out really nice. I found a thick piece of metal that I could lay in there, and then I was able to hammer it and make it even straighter. So that's that, and then yeah, I have these little pieces welded on. These big pieces I'm gonna leave off for now, just so we can get some primer underneath it all. It'll just be way easier to, you know, paint all in there with without it on, and then especially from this side, like where the gas tank goes. Let's see. Yeah, you can see like it'd be impossible to get paint all in there later, so I'll leave. This will probably be the very last piece really to go on.